Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 18 lecture, we will learn WebView in Android with some example. WebView is a view that display the web pages inside your application. Suppose you want to display the web pages inside your application, then we have the WebView. Okay, so let us understood this concept with the help of example. Go to your Android Studio, from file new project, select the empty activity. Next, my application, my web WB, then API 15 language Java. Click on finish. So our project is going to be loaded now. Our project has been loaded. We will delete the text view, which is default text view. Okay, we have deleted it. So in order to have the web view in our application, go to palette, wedges. You can see web view here. Okay, wedges, web view. Drag and drop it and set the coordinates for web view. I will set 0. Okay, 0, again 0, entire. Okay, 0. So this web view covers all the screen. Okay, and the ID for this web view is web view. Okay, now we will access this web view in our Java file. So we will create the object of web view. Okay, import the class, Alt enter to import the class. Okay, now we will map web view find view by ID r.id. Web view, the ID which we have assigned, and simply what we will do, web view dot load URL, and we will pass the parameter HTTPS www.facebook.com. Okay, so now this facebook.com now load into our web view. Okay, so one more thing we have to keep it in mind. We have to add the internet permission. So as I told you earlier, okay, we have to add the permission in manifest file. Okay, manifest.xml file. So here which permission we have to add? We have to add the internet permission. So now we will add the user permission here. User permission. Okay, Android permission internet. We want internet permission. Okay, that's why. So this is what we have added, a permission of internet. Okay, now this facebook.com now will be loaded into our web view. Now let us run this configuration. It is installing now, you can see. Now it is launching the activity. So you can see the Facebook is going to be opened in the web view. Okay, suppose we will make the changes, www.google.com, google.com. okay, so now instead of Facebook there will be Google. So whatever URL we are giving here, it is going to be loaded in the web view. So you can see our page is going to be loaded here. This is what web view in Android. Okay, we have to set web view for entire screen with the ID web view. We have access web view and simply load URL. So our whatever URL we are giving, it will be loaded in the web view. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more updates, so subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much.